Hi, so this is the Sunday school lesson for this coming Sunday, July 8th. Sunday school is at 10 o'clock in the temporary building. What we're going to do is have the pre-K, elementary, and youth kids all meet together. There's been like two kids in each class over the summer, as it normally is, because people travel and all that kind of stuff. So rather than having three different classes that are extremely small, I thought it might be a better idea to try and put them together and have a more robust class, even if it's across age lines. The youth group is younger right now, like it's mostly middle school to early high school, so we don't have like seniors coming to the youth group right now. And then the pre-K and elementary, I don't think would have any problem kind of working together. We're going to use the elementary lesson, so it'll be kind of right in the middle. And the story is Isaiah 65, Peace for All. It's a kind of the peaceable kingdom piece of art, and that idea of, the predator and the prey together, everyone getting along. It's on page 140 of the Shine Bible, so we'll go ahead and use that. That'll be fine for pre-K and elementary. It would be great if the youth then are used as kind of helpers for the young ones as well. I think that would be nice. We'll just see who's there and kind of what their capacities are. So it's a shorter story. Even having the youth read it to the younger kids, I think, would be good. And then the activity is so I've kind of modified the create, page 34 of the lesson that I'll send you. Under create, it's about making a silhouette and of yourself. And ideally they would say, hold the lamp and trace your silhouette, blah, blah, blah. That might be a bit much, especially for our pre-K group. But we can do various levels of, artistic endeavors. So for the pre-K group, and maybe even some of the younger elementary, I have some prepared silhouettes, right? So several copies, and it's just like this could be anybody. And it says at the top, how I can bring peace to others, ... So the idea is that they write or draw, so they can do words or pictures, depending on their ability, of how they want to bring peace to other people. This can be, an act of kindness. It can be a job they want to do in the future that is, about helping others. Anything they want to express in there is fine. I'll have markers and crayons. I would give the littlest ones crayons, etc. I will also have some blank white paper, as well as some black construction paper, where if they want to, they can, I did kind of a rudimentary one, they can draw a silhouette and cut it out and paste it on. There'll be scissors and paste out there too, so they can kind of make it more personal for them. And so that will be for the older kids if they feel like doing that. If what they really want to do is help the little ones, that's great too. I think that's a really peaceful, helpful thing to do as well. There'll be 2 staff people available since there's no other classroom they'll have to assist with. So that'll be helpful. I don't think you don't have to have 2 teachers in there. If you have 2 staff, I think that'll be plenty. But just depending on the number of kids who come, like I know Nora and Towns won't be there. I think Alea is out as well. So we'll just see how many people are there. I'm going to send a note out to the parents and let them know that everyone is to meet in the temporary building at 10 o'clock. So that will be helpful, but what you might want to do is have a staff person or the other teacher go out and kind of round people up and say, hey, we're all meeting in the temporary building together, because there's always someone who's like, I don't know where to go. So that might be helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and if there's other things you want to do with this story once you see the lesson, that's fine too. The materials for this will be on the shelf in the temporary building, but you're welcome to add things to the mix if you want to. All right, thank you so much.